Welcome! In today's video, I'll show how to enable the Use Windows Notifications feature in the Telegram app on your PC. This simple setting allows Telegram to use the native Windows notification system, making alerts smoother and more responsive, perfect for keeping track of messages without missing anything important. Let's get started step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once the app is up and running, look toward the top left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 short horizontal lines. That's the menu icon. Go ahead and click on it. A sidebar will appear with several options. From here, scroll down and select Settings. This is where you can customize how Telegram behaves on your device. Next, navigate to Notifications and Sounds. This section controls how and when Telegram alerts you about new messages, calls, and other updates. Now, inside the Notifications and Sounds menu, take a moment to look through the available options. You'll find settings for message sounds, pop-up notifications, and more. What we're looking for is the option that says Use Windows Notifications. Simply toggle this feature on. Once you switch it on, Telegram will start using your Windows system notifications instead of its own internal alerts. That means new message notifications will appear just like notifications from other apps on Windows, clean, consistent, and easy to manage from your Action Center. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Windows notifications on your Telegram app. From now on, you'll receive Telegram alerts directly through Windows without needing the app window open all the time. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with others who might find it useful.